A multi-state study led by the Wisconsin Department of Transportation developed a new model for determining how to keep bridges in good repair. That study is being recognized for its national importance by the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials at a regional research conference on July 24th.
The best way to keep bridges in good condition is to make accurate predictions of how various parts of that bridge will deteriorate. This study combined data from bridges in 12 Midwest states to develop new and more accurate models for predicting when bridges will need repair work. This will enable us to schedule bridge repair work in a timely and cost-effective manner that will keep bridges in good condition and save taxpayers money. This research is already helping WSDOT improve its schedule for bridge repair work, and it's great to know that it'll have a similar effect for states throughout the Midwest.
The Bridge Element Deterioration for Midwest States project developed element-level deterioration curves for specific bridges using historical data provided by 12 Midwest state departments of transportation. The deterioration curves address key transition times in bridge lifetimes, which ensure relatively accurate timing of work actions. The deterioration models are compatible and complement the effectiveness of various bridge management systems used by the participating state agencies. The study is one of many research projects WSDOT conducts every year to determine the best materials and methods to keep roads, bridges, and other transportation infrastructure safe and to extend their lifespans.
WSDOT's research project leads transportation innovation, which allows the department to make continuous improvements to how we build and maintain our transportation infrastructure. The Bridge Element Deterioration for Midwest States project is a transportation pooled fund, which pools Wisconsin research funds with other states to fund research projects of common interest. This allows our research funding to go farther and creates great opportunities for partnering with other states.
Each year, AASHTO's Research Advisory Committee asks state departments of transportation to identify and document recently completed high-value research projects. The committee then selects the top 4 projects from each of its 4 regions for the Sweet 16 awards. Those projects, including the WSDOT-led study, are then featured in AASHTO events and publications. They are the subject of a poster session and session at the Transportation Research Board annual meeting. For more information about WSDOT's research program and other recently completed projects, please visit the research program webpage on the WSDOT website.